So join me today for a little walking tour of Cinta Cottages, and this is where I'm staying. I'm staying at number 6 and my friend is staying here at number 7. So we've got one each. Now, this is just a little bit of paradise. Beach wise, you're probably around about 4 or 5 minute walk directly down this road to the beach, so you're not too far away. Outdoor area for having a brew, a nice big fridge, loads of storage space, table for having your dinner. They serve breakfast every morning and bring it to you. You just fill in a sheet, a soft sitting area, a plunge pool, and a couple of chairs for the brolly. Okay, you got these going on, so you got loads. I'm just gonna come back a little bit. Little place for washing your feet. So all this here is undercover. So last night it was really raining really hard, and we were just sat in this area here, just letting the crazy rains pass. Okay, let's show you inside. So there's 2 of us staying in this room, so we've got the big bed here, and we've got a smaller bed. Very high ceilings. You've got 2 air conditioning, so they're really cool. Lots of power points here, sort of thought about you charging your phones and whatnot. We've got power points behind the TV as well. TV here. Over here, you've got on the other side, you've got additional power points as well. So there's loads of power points here. It's really well laid out. It's a really nice place. Every morning you'd be given one of these, every afternoon, and you select your breakfast and you choose your time, and you can have your breakfast from about 8 o'clock onwards, I think. 7:30, 8 o'clock, up until about 9:30, I think. The bathroom, we've got his and hers, got shaving mirror, power points, toilet area, on this side you got your rainforest shower thing. Pressure isn't great, so it's not the best shower in the world, but yeah, you got lovely high ceilings, so it's really cool in here. I'm feeling a bit rough today, so I'm having a day in. And if you've got a beautiful place like this, you can just chill out, sit by the pool, read your book. I think I picked up a bit of a bug or something from something to eat, or drank something. So yeah, there you go. So this is Cinta Bungalows. They do give you a big water cooler here, not for drinking, but it's for boiling. So just boil the water. And there's shops all the way around here, just for buying your knickknacks, your pop, your water, your juice, biscuits, etc. Okay, so it's Cinta Bungalows. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. If you know anyone who's travelling here and think this might be a good place to share with them, pass on the link. Do appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.